In this video, Bitcoin is still inside this massive resistance area, but guys, we have to take a quick look with the RSIs right now. Are we still forming more warnings? If you're going to see a rejection here with the Bitcoin price action, well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba, in our previous analysis, what we were saying is we are just expecting more consolidation here with the Bitcoin price action within the resistance area kasi as previously mentioned, this area is a very strong area. So previously that has acted as a support line. Right now, that is going to act as a resistance as what we have been saying for the past few days already. And right now, if you're going to zoom in with the Bitcoin price action, let's give you an update with this movement. If you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, you can see that somewhat we are now starting to form a very small divergence in the daily time frame. So as you can see, we have that increasing price and RSI is starting to decline here in the daily time frame. So that is looking like a bad sign right now for the Bitcoin price action in the very short term. So we might see a pullback here for the Bitcoin price action. Looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, you can also see now we are also forming a bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, bearish divergences are actually seen within these time frames. So right now, it's actually looking like Bitcoin is going to have a pullback, and our pullback will actually depend on these following values. So number one, our first target is of course this support line, which is around the $29,850. So we can expect Bitcoin to go back to that area within the 29,800. And then the next target natin dito would be the 28,500 US dollar area. So those are the two areas na kailangan tingnan dito with the Bitcoin price action, especially now we are currently seeing this bearish divergence forming within the daily time frame and in the 4-hour time frame. So in this case, we might somehow expect Bitcoin to go down for a bit within the next few days. So this could be a very good swing tradable opportunity. So what we can actually do, if let's say this is a confirmed move, we can open a short position dito. So we can open a short position and set two different targets. So our target would be 28,500, but we can also set a target dito around the 29,850. So what you can actually do is, let's say, di ba nag-open a short position, you can actually just, if let's say we started meeting our first target, let's adjust our stop loss from initially around dito, then let's use that as a trail stop dito. So that's what I'm gonna do if ever na I have open a short position. I'm going to adjust my trail stop around the 30,500. Then yeah, para if ever this leads into fake out, then at least kahit paano you're already in profits. But if let's say this continue to the downside, then at least we can still meet our target. So yeah, that is what we are currently seeing dito with in the daily time frame. That's also similar actually in the 4-hour time frame. You can also see this movement in the 4-hour time frame. So it's actually pretty clear right now for the Bitcoin price action, and that is what we are going to monitor. Siguro in the 4-hour time frame, what you can also want to monitor dito. Let's try to plot another line dito. In the 4-hour time frame, we can somehow say na we are forming a triangle dito. So we can actually more likely wait out for this if ang mag-play out then is yung bearish divergence or this ascending triangle. So in this case, you're going to monitor this ascending triangle, and traditionally ascending triangle is just a continuation pattern to the upside. Yan, usually ganyan yung movement niya. So in this case, if let's say we are going to play out first this itong ascending triangle, pwede kasi mangyari dyan is mag-play out muna to, at umakit siya, na-meet niya yung target. At the same time, pwede mangyari dyan is yung RSI nagde-decline siya further. So in this case, pwede mangyari dyan is ito, gumaganyan siya, tapos biglang na-meet yung target. And then mangyari dyan is mas mababa na yung ating RSI in that case. If that happens, na wherein the price is increasing while RSI is still declining, then that is somewhat a confirmed bearish divergence. In this case, yung 4-hour time frame movement na ascending triangle is just for the very short term. But when it comes to a daily time frame movement, it's still a continuation of the bearish divergence. So, in the 4-hour time frame, we can monitor this ascending triangle for the very short term. But when it comes to the daily time frame, we are starting to look bearish within the next few days. But itong ascending triangle for the 4-hour time frame, this is going to be somewhat a movement for the next few hours. So yeah, that is what you can actually monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. And take note guys, if you want to learn how to trade with Bitcoin, and if you want to learn how to open a long and short position, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can find the description down below. And yeah, if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, make sure to use our sign up link. It's also available in the description down below. May tutorial videos din tayo on how to use BYBIT. It's all available, guys, in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.